Welcome back, traders. After a turbulent midweek session rocked by tariff headlines, today we are diving into the aftermath and mapping out the most probable setups in this increasingly volatile tape. Yesterday was all about the tariffs. After bulls bought through the early Globex dip, price reversed sharply during RTH, cutting straight back into Monday's lower distribution. We even opened Globex with a gap down, and now the question is, do bulls step back in or do we see further weakness unfold? We've got US trading goods and jobless claims on deck, medium impact but always capable of shaking things up at the open, so buckle up, let's take a look. On the 10-day volume profile, we've got clean through both periods value areas. Volume is building now around August POC 5,551, a level we've tracked all week. Below that, all eyes are on 5,387.50, the next key downside level. Our weekly volume profile is actually quite balanced with a clear ledge at 5,625, while the daily one time framing up has officially ended and we had a clean break on the 200% value area range extension. Key level now is 5,527. If price stays below, we are looking at potential for continued weakness and forced short covering. On my favorite chart, the 2-hour delta chart, we see that Wednesday RTH has some build up some early strength, but heavy sellers showed up at 5,725, capping the move. The tariff-driven 214-point drop was no joke. Big money moved quickly and decisively. The TPO shows us clear excess on both sides on yesterday's profile, pushing deep into Monday's lower distribution. Bulls will need to reclaim this zone if we're going to shift sentiment back towards the upside. And zooming in on the 1-hour chart, we see that Globex attempted to fill this gap, but failed, carving out a new A to B price range with a low at 5,481. Resistance is now sitting near Monday's POC with 5,585 acting as today's line in the sand. So bulls can open their longs at the weekly open 5,590, targeting 5,602, 5,616 and 5,630. Bears will enter at the volume ledge at 5,582, targeting 5,550, 5,526 and 5,500. Okay, the tariff bombshell continues to ripple through the market. Expect wide swings and fakeouts. Stay patient, trade the plan, and don't start chasing moves near key levels. If you like getting this and even more extensive levels of market preparation every morning, hit that like and subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter and the Sentinel playbooks. All links are below. I'll see you at the open.